Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Mailchimp campaign. First, log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the Create button. You'll then choose your campaign type, like a regular email or an automated journey. Next, select your audience, which could be all your contacts or a specific segment. Finally, give your campaign a clear name and craft an engaging subject line to encourage opens. This foundational step is crucial for a successful outreach. Now, let's dive into designing your email. Mailchimp offers many templates, or you can build from scratch. Drag and drop content blocks to add your logo, images, and engaging text. Remember to keep your message concise and visually appealing. Crucially, include strong calls to action, like a Shop Now or Learn More button, to direct your audience. A well-designed email captures attention and drives engagement. Before hitting send, thorough review is essential. Always send a test email to yourself or a colleague to catch any typos, broken links, or formatting problems. Double-check all campaign details, your audience, subject line, and sender information. Once everything looks perfect, you have two options: send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. This final check ensures your message reaches its destination flawlessly. After your campaign is sent, it's time to analyze its performance. Mailchimp provides detailed reports showing crucial metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and even unsubscribe rates. Pay close attention to what worked well and what didn't. For instance, a high open rate suggests a great subject line. Use these valuable insights to optimize your future campaigns, continuously improving your email marketing strategy for better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.